How to convert CSV to Excel. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up Excel and go to the option of File in the top left and select it. And go ahead and click on the option called Open. After that, from here, you can just go and choose up the .csv file. And once it opens up, you can go ahead and click on File, option in the top, and go ahead and look out for Save As option. And make sure the Save As option, when you have selected it, go ahead and choose the option as .xlx. This one right here, this format. After that, go ahead and click on Save. And now your CSV file is converted into Excel format. And apart from that, what you can do is if you want to import CSV, better formatting control. Once you open up the sheet, go to data option in the top, and here click on the option for click from text or CSV, this one right here. And once you use that, a preview will appear. You can just go and choose it to file and click on load and open it up and save as the file as x.xlsx. Also, you can open up directly. So what you can do is you can go over and double click on the CSV file and it should open up in Excel, and then you can save it as Excel workbook. And that's it, everybody. You can follow that method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.